Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I pray all is well in your neck of the woods. As I come to you today, I'm going to make these ribs for my family today. My son requested these, and this is my first time ever trying making these ribs in the Pioneer Woman Instant Pot, or just in Instant Pot, period. I'm so excited, so let's get to it. First thing I have here, usually we use apple cider. I saw where a person used apple cider, not apple cider vinegar, and I don't have apple cider. So what I'm gonna do is mix one fruit punch, which has mostly apple juice in this. Yes, she's trying something she ain't never tried before. And we're gonna put a half a cup of this and a half a cup of the apple cider vinegar in this 1 cup, and I'm going to place 1 cup of the liquid down with the trivet. We want the trivet to go down at the bottom so that it doesn't touch directly onto the bottom. The trivet will help with that, and we're just going to get it started. So let's get going, you guys. So right here, what I have on here is paprika. We have some garlic salt. I have onion powder, garlic powder. I have brown sugar. We have a little bit of the Sweet and Smoky by McCormick. I did the paprika. I did put, before I put any seasoning on, I added a little bit of liquid smoke. Because I'm not doing this outdoors, I wanted to have a little bit of a smoky flavor, so I did add a little bit of liquid smoke on top of the ribs, and I add some parsley and some red pepper flakes, y'all. So that is what's all on top of this, and I massaged it in very well. I let it sit outside of the refrigerator for 90 minutes. Okay, so it rested so that the flavors can penetrate the meat. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to open up these brags, and I'm going to mix both of the brags and the juice in here, and we're going to add the liquid into the pan. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you get directly into the trivet like that. Oh Lord, I hope this fit in. Just like so. Okay, and then it says put the liquid?
Yes.
I'm gonna put the liquid in first, because that doesn't make sense, right, Mom? Child, I don't know.
Put the liquid in first.
Yeah, it's easier to put the liquid in first. Okay, Christy.
For 1 slab. You gotta set it for 27 minutes.
Okay. I'm putting the top on. I'm gonna put it on manual. And put it up for how many minutes he said? 27. 27?
Yep.
Okay, it's on. Okay, you guys, so it is on. I was able to put the ribs in. I put the juice in first because it just seems easiest to do it that way. And went ahead on and put it on manual for 27 minutes. And yeah, so we're gonna see what it does. And make sure you put your Instant Pot directly on sealing. Don't forget to do that. That is a very important step. All right, so we'll see you in 27 minutes. stay tuned. We are down to 1 minute. We're gonna see how all that goes. As soon as this is to 0, I'm gonna turn the steam into release. Now we're going to put this over. You can see the steam a little bit. You can see it more. So right in there. The steam. So we're gonna let that release and then let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll release the top and see what we have inside. So stay tuned.
I don't like it when this is frying.
Alright you all, so that is what the ribs are looking like now, and I'm going to put them inside the broiler for about a good 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, that is what is left in the pot there. We're just going to empty that out. So you can see a lot of juices was rendered from the ribs itself and even made it higher. So these look so delicious and I'm so excited. So we're going to get them in to the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes and see what they look like after that. So you all stay tuned. Alright, there you all go, and I took it out and it is sticking. I'm gonna do one more layer. But look at that, y'all. I had to put it over my sink because everywhere else is so hot. But this turned out really good. I can't wait till Joshua comes home from work. He is going to love this. We never make ribs hardly. He's going to love this. We never hardly make ribs, so I'm gonna make sure I dress this nicely where every bite gets a nice bit of, we're gonna keep those little burnt edges on there, those little crust edges, and that just looks fantastic, don't you think? So I'm gonna put this back in just a little bit and then layer it one more time, and then it'll just be nice sticky ribs. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put this in for about 2 more minutes. This was in for about a total of 4 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna put it in for 2 more minutes. All right, you all, so that is the finished product. Doesn't that look amazing? So when Joshua come, I will have him do a taste test. We're just gonna let this sit and rest, and amazing. So I did layer it about 3 times, did a final layer and just left it where it's nice and has a nice amount of sauce on it. So I hope you all enjoy. I'm just gonna run over this so you can see just how beautiful it did under the broil and how the Instapot did. Now when you take it out, it will keep its shape however you did it, so just hold it down and it eventually straighten out. All right, you all, that looks amazing. What do you think? So excited. My first rack of ribs in the Instapot. Stay tuned. Joshua will do the taste test. I'll see you soon. All right, you all, so Josh is here. We're just gonna go ahead on and cut through these ribs. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so I'm gonna let them see. All right, you all, that is the rib. I'm gonna put it there. Joshua will give us a taste test. Is it good? Is it tender? Okay, Joshua says it's a hit. Mom and I are gonna try this little end. Why do you always give me a little piece? Mmm. Yummy, that's good. So this is the consistency of the rib, you guys. That just looks really good. My hair is gonna taste that half, and it just breaks really good.
Very good.
Very good. Well, okay, so that answers the questions. If Joshua liked it, there we go. Now the recipe I used, the guy was saying you want to use just 1 cup. Don't immerse it in liquid because it becomes mushy. You still want it to have that ribby effect, and these did the job. Look how easy that came off.
Oh my goodness.
Delicious. All right, you all, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar on this lovely 4th of July. I hope you all enjoyed this rib recipe in the Instapot. I only use 1 cup of liquid at the bottom. You can choose water, and the apple cider with the juice mix did great. My son absolutely loved the ribs, and they are so good. My entire family loves them. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing this channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it would alert you, and you all can come and check me out. You see how hot it is outside? I hope you all are staying cool and enjoying yourself. And happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe. Take care of one another. Remember, always trust God. Keep Him first, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bon appetit.